In this video, I'm going to show you how to autofill dates in Google Sheets. Firstly, open your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. Open a document. Suppose you need to add your dates in this column. To do this, select a cell. Type your first date, such as January 1st. Select the cell just below the previous one. Then type your next date. For this example, it will be the 2nd of January. Remember that the date format has to be month, day, year. Otherwise, it will not work. After adding the first two dates, select both of them. Bring your cursor to the bottom right corner of the selected cell until it turns into a plus icon. Now drag them down. You can see that the dates are autofilled in the column. You can do this by month also. Select a cell. Type the first date, such as the 1st of January. Select the cell below. Type the next date. For me, it will be the 1st of February. Just like before, the date format has to be month, day, year. Select both of the dates. Bring your cursor to the bottom right corner of the selected cell until it turns into a plus icon and drag them down. Here you can see that the dates have autofilled to every month's first day.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.